In an emergency situation like this, you want to know the details as soon as possible. We really rely on our tablets, phones, computers these days for that. So WFMY News 2's Amber Lake is back in the studio looking at what you can do to be prepared in case the worst ever happens in the Triad.
So Guilford County has an emergency alert system called GEANI. It stands for Guilford Emergency Alert Notification and Information System. Emergency Management Division Director Stephen Gross explained to me what this system is and why it's important.
You can learn about things, anything from weather from the National Weather Service to if public safety entities were to push any kind of emergent information out to citizens.
After the mass shooting that happened last night, I did some research and found that Wake County does have an alert system, but just like Guilford County, you have to make sure that you're signed up for them.
We have used Genie several times in the last few months for some missing persons. We very often use it to alert folks that there will be public safety activity in their area, and if they're able to report anything to 911 that would help with whatever the emergency is going on.
Now, on the state level, emergency alerts are sent out on our phones. You just have to make sure your wireless emergency alerts are turned on. It's in your settings on your phone. As far as what is being done on the federal level, there's a bill in the Senate right now. It's called the Active Shooter Alert Act of 2022. The bill says policies would be created to format alert messages to be sent out on mass alert systems and issuing wide area alerts to better notify people. The bill passed through the U.S. House with Representatives Budd, McHenry, and Fox voting against it, Representative Manning voting for the Active Shooter Alert Act. Now it's in the Senate.